Resources for mental health in Lubbock are extremely finite. There's only one option for inpatient care here on the South Plains. Sunrise Canyon Hospital serves more than 80,000 people a year. But one local parent says that more should be available for people who need the help that they can't get. Our Emily Harrison caught up with the mental health providers over at Star Care. Emily?
That's right, Terry. They have to take on the most severe cases, and that means that they have to prioritize who they can take. But that sometimes means that sometimes people can get left behind due to the fact that there's simply not enough resources for everybody.
Star Care is really only contracted with the state to serve about 3% of the population, meaning those people with psychotic disorders.
97% of the people in Lubbock are on their own when it comes to mental health, but lack of access to psychiatric care makes it hard to get help.
We have one of the fewest number of psychiatrists per 100,000 citizens of anywhere in the state. Adults is better than children. Children, it's even worse.
They have one child psychiatrist. We went to go see him in November, and they could not get him in to see the actual psychiatrist after doing the intake until May of this year.
Benefield understands Star Care prioritizes those that need the help the most, but is frustrated by the lack of care for patients whose conditions may not be as severe.
You either have to do your own research and become your own therapist and have the motivation to be able to deal with that on your own, or you're just going to continue to get worse, and then once you reach that breaking point, then maybe they can step in and save you and help you out. But if you don't receive services in time, something tragic can happen.
But Star Care says one of the biggest problems they face is the stigma mental health faces here in West Texas.
What we've known is that mental health or diseases of the brain have actually been really seen as character flaws, or people who are too sad to get out of bed are lazy and they don't want to work, or it's their parents didn't raise them correctly. Heart disease is a really big issue, and no one feels like that's a character flaw.
Now, Star Care is hoping that with this story, there will be more awareness about mental health issues and that people won't be afraid of asking for help. We'll have a full list of all the services and programs that they offer if you are interested in getting help on our website at everythinglubbock.com.
Emily, thank you.